Yo.
Hey, what you looking at?
Oh hi, I'm just looking at the wonderful specs of the R6, my next camera.
Oh, really? Don't you want the R5? It's a better camera. Forget the R6, you're just wasting your money on an inferior camera. You should just pick up the R5.
Oh no, thanks. I'd rather not have the place burned down thanks to that camera, like it'll do to your bank account.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, look right here, I just seen the news. The R5's almost out. Which camera to choose? R6, the camera that you can't get. R5, the rooster. R6 ain't hatched yet. You right, Magnus. Yeah, you're on fire. Should I get the camera that everyone desires? R5's the rooster. Yes, of course. Look till I hit record. The camera ends up cooked. Let me teach and preach, so please keep your seat. I want the best camera, and it's easy to see. Undeniable, the camera's justifiable. Your R5's like your service is unreliable. You wanna talk tech? Then let's check your specs. R6 features here that can get respect. Let's see 4K at 60 FPS, 120 HD, you could get for less. See the S1H here? Might be great, and use my Amazon link. And while you wait, let me add to the cart and pile the plate with common sense for you. Oh, I'm too late. No, you're not late, man. You're going broke. Both you and your camera both blowing smoke. Canon fought you for your money, going toe to toe. Left you with a hot camera and you're all alone. You want great pics, then just get the 6. With its 20 megapixels, you won't forget to click and get a dark pic with that slender chick. As she turns to you and says, "Yo, your camera's sick." Your camera's sick? Is it doing okay? That's money well spent, but you can have it your way. Your chances of a good pic just turn improbable. My 45 megapixels out phenomenal. Just face it, man, just buy the R5. Get the better camera, cause you can't deny all those who hated the R. Now have one, pick up the R5, not the bad one. Pre-ordered R6 and got the adapter with money left over to buy lenses after. Sorry I missed your chatter, not that it really mattered. I got the best camera to go with the best rapper. And on that sad note, I guess that we're done. Congrats on your R6, you can have your fun. But 2 months from now, just remember this. Hands off my R5, you can keep your 6.
Well, alright then.
Well, okay.
Hey, where you going?
Oh, I'm grabbing my GH5 and NX1s. Gotta sell those in order to buy the R5.
Well, since he left me alone, if you liked this video, definitely hit that like button. If you like my rap, definitely let me know. But as always, you can make our day if you subscribe today. This is Mikey, and I'm out. See you later.